guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dave and you are watching live review. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of a really new product from OPPO. This is the OPPO Enco Air2. This is a really new pair of AirPods and this is really being talked about in the market. So I decided to get this and do the unboxing and review for this. So let's show you around the box. So the specifications and all those things are given in the back and nothing else around. Very minimalist box and very minimalist packing. These days MI and OPPO, everyone is going for the minimalist approach. So the MRP of this is 3999. Color is white. There are two options here. One is the white and one is there is a very light blue color that is also available in the market but no black. So the MRP is 4000 but you can get it for around 1919. That is 2000 from Flipkart during the offer periods, and this is made in China and this is imported in by company in Gurgaon. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Slides of really nice and a really satisfying feeling, but we don't have that amount of time. So right out of the box we have the AirPods itself here too, and quite heavy. Let's put this aside and see what else is there in the box. As I was saying, very minimalist. The packaging material and all these things are quite nice, and let's see, nothing else in the box. Again, quite nice. So you get a really good unboxing feeling while unboxing products of MI, Google and OPPO as such. Oh, nothing else, no cable in this one, so that's surprising. Usually the other companies, they provide a small USB-C type of cable here, but nothing here. So they're trying to be environment friendly, I guess, or too minimalist. All right, so some instruction manual here, OPPO, how to operate that, how to use, touch controls, how to charge it, safety instructions, a lot of safety instructions, so that is surprising. Okay, care and maintenance, battery safety, child safety. All right, safety comes first. Waste, how to dispose of this, limited warranty, and you have a form which need to fill out to get the warranty. All right, let's keep this aside and get to the star of the show. Okay, wrapped in plastic, really nice. In hand feel is really nice. This has there's a lot of options out there in the market, but OPPO has really done a good job in differentiating themselves from the other products. So this is one noise earbuds which I did the unboxing recently. Go check it out. I'll put the link of that above. So as you can see, this is a clone of AirPods and very generic, right? You cannot, from a distance, you cannot cannot realize like which one is this, and very generic. So this one, they have given a translucent lid so that right out of the box you can know the difference of that. An LED here. At the bottom there is a USB-C charging port and no buttons anywhere. So at the back you have some certifications here, OPPO branding here, and let's open this, and the LED turns green and white. Alright, so the green means it's fully charged and it will turn yellow and red according to the level of charge that we have. And this is really nice. This one is almost glass like in its structure, not plastic at all, and really minimalist. Something is written here, some serial number or something. And let's take this out of the box, if you might say. The magnet quality is really nice. Again, this is giving a really good experience, so I can totally tell that this will be really good to use. So again, plastic quality is good. It looks really similar to AirPods. No silicone tip, so this has the in-ear partial in-ear design, and you have a mic here, speaker outlet here, and you have another noise cancellation mic at the bottom. So two mics, one is noise cancellation, and this is the charging contact point, so that will, when you put it in the box, it will charge, and really nice. So regarding how long it works, of course the company says a lot of things like quick charge, fast charge and all these things. I'll be doing a full detailed review of this really soon. Another point that I just saw, this is the touch control surface. They have differentiated it by giving it a matte finish, and just this surface here, so that's really nice. So as I was saying, I'll be doing the full review really soon, and I will go do an in-depth review, how much time it takes to charge, how much time it takes to discharge it, and all the things. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't, if you want to see that, and if you have already did, stay tuned. It will be coming really soon. So I'll be seeing in the next one. That's it for today, and subscribe to our channel and check out one of our latest videos there. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.